Here's what most people don't realize. macOS comes with QuickTime Player, but it only supports a limited number of video formats. VLC Media Player is like the Swiss Army knife of media players. It plays virtually everything: MKV, AVI, FLAC, MP4, and over 50 other formats. Plus, it's completely free, open source, and has zero ads or tracking. Here's how you can get it. Open Safari and go to videoland.org. Before you click the big Download VLC button, click the drop-down beside it. If you're using a Mac, there are two variants. One is Apple Silicon and Intel above it. I'm using Intel, so I'll click this one. Open your Downloads folder from the dock and click the vlc.dmg file. Drag the VLC cone icon to your Applications folder. Wait for a bit to copy VLC into your Mac. You can now launch VLC via Spotlight by searching it. On first launch of the app, it will verify the app. This will also notify you that this app was downloaded on the internet. Simply click Open. This is just the Apple way of security feature. And that's it. VLC is now installed on your Mac and ready to play all your favorite movies, TV shows, and music. What's the weirdest video format you've ever struggled to play on your Mac? Drop it in the comments below. I bet VLC can handle it. And if this helped you, which installation method did you choose? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mac tips that'll save you hours of frustration.